name is Abhishek. Today I am going to talk about a very interesting topic, which is going to be nothing but a true topic which has taken place during the last week. So, the first important topic which I am going to talk about is about nothing but budget 2021. And the second important topic which I am going to talk about is about reopening of school and colleges in India. So these are two important topics which I am going to talk about. So I hope this could be interesting. So let me get into the topic right away. So the first important topic which I am going to talk about is nothing but budget of India in the year 2021. So as you all know, the economic crisis has been there in the past 2020 because of this novel coronavirus. So you all know that because of this COVID-19, each and every country has suffered a lot in terms of economy. Even India is in the verge of a foreign economy. So it has impacted India a lot in terms of the previous year. So this year, the India has planned to revive the economic and help the nation in a better way. So last February 1st, what happened was Financial Minister of India, Sitharaman, had proposed a report on how this year 2021 should go in terms of money. So among which it is mostly contributed to infrastructure development, healthcare support system, and development of India. So let me explain what had happened last week. So during the last week's meet about the financial year 2021, what she had described is about the 6 pillars. So the 6 pillars is nothing but one, the healthcare system. Second one is physical, financial capital, and infrastructure development, which is nothing but development of infrastructure in India. The third one is development of aspirational India, that is not only inspiration, not only the infrastructure, but in other areas as well. So development of aspirational India, human capital, innovation and R&D, and minimum government and maximum governments. So these are the 6 pillars which we had discussed last week. So during the meeting, what she had told is the most of the money would be given to the healthcare system. Why? Because, so as we all know, during the year 2020, there was a big crisis due to coronavirus, and in which we have learned that our health system is very poor in India. So the government has decided to spend money in healthcare systems. So the amount which has been given has been increased by 135% compared to 2019. So the amount which has been spent or which is going to be spending in healthcare system during the year 2021 is nothing but 64,180 crores rupees, which has been increased dramatically compared to 2019. So with this money, what they will do is they will try to set up a government clinic in both primary cities, that is first tier cities, second tier cities, and even in third tier cities, including the villages. This is the one thing which they have said. The second thing is they will work out more on vaccine in the year 2021 and they will give it to each and every corner of the country. The third one is they will set up a lab, a virology lab in each and every state. They will improve it because compared to other countries such as UK and South Africa, we don't have that much of virology lab, and hence they will develop a virology lab in India as well. So this financial thing will last for 6 years, among which the next highest financial money will go to physical and infrastructure development. So your government has allotted 1,97,000 crores to the infrastructure part. So here what they will do is they will put roads in each and every state and they will develop it in such a way that it could be a better part to contribute to the Indian economy. And not only that, even they allotted money for the Ministry of Defence for 4,78,000 crore rupees. So like this, they have allocated many money towards the development of Indian economy. So I hope this year will be a better year for India because we are moving towards the development of India. The second important topic, a very small important topic which I like to say is nothing but about the reopening of schools and colleges during the year 2021. So what the government has announced is nothing but on February 8th, that is on coming Monday, the schools will be opened for classes 9th and 11th and colleges for first year, second year, third year and fourth year will be opened from February 8th. But the funniest part is, on last week, I read an article where students are protesting in Twitter for hashtag no schools and colleges reopen. This sounded pretty funny for me. Why? Because on some day or the other, they need to go to schools and colleges. But for no reason and simply they are protesting for not opening or for opening the schools and colleges. This feels pretty funny because now the world has begun moving in such a way that they are starting to live a normal life again. Even in Tamil Nadu, if you see, the theatre capacity has been increased to 100%. So the only sector which has been closed till now is school and colleges, or let's say education system. So that too, Indian government has said that on February 8th, classes of 9th and 12th will be open and schools and colleges also will be open for all years. So these are the two updates which I like to share with you guys. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment share, subscribe, and tell me on what video I should make next. Thank you.